At AI Fun Park, we are committed to the open source community, do-it-yourself creativity, and wherever possible imagining, creating, and sharing cost-free. If you are gamers like many of us here at AI Fun Park and have powerful AMD CPUs and graphic card that you use for gaming, you have the potential to direct your powerful VRAM capabilities towards AI to generate AI knowledge bases, produce AI video, images, and sound. You can also mesh all these outputs into wherever your imagination or passion takes you. Though the information here is for a broad audience, we like to think the gaming community has untapped creative potential. A misconception surrounding Comfyui is that AMD graphics cards cannot run modern AI workloads effectively. They can. The challenge is that most documentation and workflows are written around NVIDIA CUDA, while AMD users rely on ROCm or DirectML depending on their hardware and operating system. Out of the box, Comfyui often pushes AMD cards into out-of-memory errors, HIP allocation failures, or VAE crashes long before the GPU is actually incapable of completing the job. After many months of experimentation, testing, and refining workflows, we discovered that the solution is rarely a single magic switch. Instead, it comes from configuring Comfyui to better match the strengths and limitations of AMD hardware. This guide provides an overview of decisions, prerequisites, and a baseline setup required to run Comfyui, especially heavy video generation on AMD GPUs. We also provide the batch file arguments that matter and how they can be combined for different classes of AMD systems. Remember, when reading this guide, optimization is system plus workload dependent. A setting that improves one workflow may reduce performance or stability in another. Every GPU, driver, model, workflow, and Comfyui release is different. There's no universal batch file. The purpose of this guide is to explain what each option does, what problem it is intended to solve, and when it is worth trying. AI Fun Park recommends when adopting code and actions from guides such as this that you fact-check with an AI knowledge base such as Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini. Ask if it is valid, current, or if there are even better options. We hope you find this guide useful. We will be going into more depth with Comfyui models, workflows, node installation, management, and use, VRAM debugging in another guide coming soon. We hope this gets you started. Thank you for watching.